Silver Seas, the moonlit adventures of Luminara. In a tranquil world where the ocean shimmered under the soft glow of the moon, there existed a magical place known as the Silver Seas. Every night, when the sky turned dark and the stars began to twinkle, the moon would cast its gentle light over the waters, turning them into a vast expanse of silver. The moon, known as Luna, had a special gift. She could sing the most enchanting lullabies, and her voice would echo over the water, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Her songs were not just melodies, they were stories of the night, woven into gentle tunes that lulled all the creatures of the Silver Seas into a state of calm and wonder. One night, as Luna began her nightly serenade, a young sea turtle named Luminara emerged from the depths of the ocean. Luminara had a shell that glowed softly, reflecting the moonlight, and she was known among the sea creatures for her curiosity and adventurous spirit. "Luna, Luna," Luminara called out, her voice barely a whisper over the gentle waves. "Will you tell us a story tonight?" Luna smiled, her light growing brighter. "Of course, dear Luminara," she replied, her voice a soothing melody. "Gather around, everyone, for tonight I shall tell you the tale of the Moonlit Reef." As Luna began her story, the sea creatures of the Silver Seas gathered. The dolphins leapt gracefully, the jellyfish glowed like floating lanterns, and the fish swam in synchronized patterns, creating a mesmerizing dance in the water. Even the gentle waves seemed to hush, listening intently to Luna's tale, the tale of the Moonlit Reef. Long ago, in the heart of the Silver Seas, there existed a hidden reef that only appeared under the light of the full moon. This reef was known as the Moonlit Reef, and it was home to the most wondrous and serene creatures. The corals there glowed in all shades of blue and green, and the sea anemones swayed to the rhythm of the ocean's gentle currents. Among the inhabitants of the Moonlit Reef was a wise old sea turtle named Orin. Orin was known for his vast knowledge and his calming presence. He had lived through many moons and had seen the Silver Seas in all its moods. One night, as Luna shone her light over the reef, Orin gathered the young sea creatures around him to share a story from his youth. "When I was a young turtle," Orin began, "I discovered a secret cave hidden within the Moonlit Reef. This cave was unlike any other, for it held the heart of the ocean, a glowing pearl that radiated peace and tranquility. The pearl was a gift from Luna herself, a token of her love for the ocean." Orin's tale captivated the young sea creatures, their eyes wide with wonder. "But the pearl was not just a beautiful gem," he continued. "It had the power to calm the fiercest storms and soothe the most troubled hearts. It reminded us all that even in the darkest times, there is always a light that can guide us." As Luna's story unfolded, Luminara felt a deep sense of peace. She imagined the glowing pearl and the serene beauty of the Moonlit Reef. The gentle waves lapped against her shell, and she felt the calming presence of Luna's light. "Thank you, Luna," Luminara whispered as the story came to an end. "Your tales always make the night so peaceful." Luna smiled once more, her light bathing the Silver Seas in a soothing glow. "Good night, my dear friends," she sang softly. "May your dreams be filled with the serenity of the Moonlit Reef and the gentle embrace of the Silver Seas." With Luna's lullaby echoing in their hearts, the sea creatures of the Silver Seas drifted into a peaceful slumber, their dreams filled with the magic and tranquility of the moonlit ocean.
The Tale of the Silver Stream. The next night, as the moon rose high in the sky. Luminara swam to the surface once more, eager for another tale. "Luna, what story do you have for us tonight?" Luna's light grew even brighter. "Gather around, my dear friends. Tonight, I shall tell you the tale of the silver stream." The sea creatures of the silver seas gathered once more, listening intently to Luna's soothing voice. Beyond the moonlit reef lies a hidden stream, sparkling with silver under the moon's glow. This stream is home to the gentle silverfish, who glide gracefully through the water, leaving trails of shimmering light. The camera followed the path of the silver stream, showing the graceful silverfish. One night, a young silverfish named Silvana set out on a journey to find the source of the stream's magic. Along the way, she met many friends, including the wise old clam, Clytus, who shared the secret of the stream. The stream's magic comes from the moonstone, a gem hidden deep within the silver stream. It is Luna's gift, just like the heart of the ocean, bringing peace and light to our waters. Silvana discovered the moonstone, her eyes wide with wonder. Silvana learned that the true magic of the moonstone was its ability to bring calm and joy to all who believed in its power. She returned to her home, sharing the story and spreading the stream's magic throughout the silver seas. And so, with the silverfish glowing brighter than ever, the creatures of the silver seas felt the magic of the silver stream, their hearts filled with peace. Luminara's shell glowed softly. "Thank you, Luna. Your stories fill our nights with light and joy. Good night, my dear friends. May your dreams be filled with the magic of the silver stream and the gentle embrace of the silver seas."
The Tale of the Celestial Cove. Another night fell over the silver seas, and Luminara eagerly awaited Luna's next tale. "Luna, what story will you share with us tonight?" "Tonight, I will tell you the tale of the Celestial Cove." The sea creatures gathered once more, their eyes reflecting the moonlight. Far beyond the silver stream lies the Celestial Cove, a place where the ocean meets the sky. Here, the waters are calm and the stars seem to touch the sea. The Celestial Cove is home to the starfish, who shine brightly under the moonlight. The camera showed the Celestial Cove, with the starry sky reflecting in the calm waters. A young starfish named Stella was curious about the stars above. One night, she decided to follow the reflections in the water, hoping to find a way to the sky. Along her journey, she met a wise old seagull named Sol, who shared the secret of the stars. "The stars are not just lights in the sky," Sol explained. "They are reflections of our dreams and hopes, shining brightly to guide us through the night." Stella listened in awe, understanding that her journey was not about reaching the stars, but about finding her own light within. Stella returned to the Celestial Cove, her light shining brighter than ever. She shared her newfound wisdom, teaching the other starfish that the true light comes from within, guided by our dreams and hopes. Luminara felt a deep sense of peace and inspiration. "Thank you, Luna. Your stories always show us the way." Good night, my dear friends. May your dreams be filled with the light of the stars and the gentle embrace of the silver seas.
The Tale of the Whispering Waves. One more night, the moonlit ocean shimmered with a soft glow, and Luminara surfaced once again, eager for another tale. "Luna, what story do you have for us tonight?" Luna's light danced on the water. "Gather around, my dear friends. Tonight, I shall tell you the tale of the Whispering Waves." The sea creatures of the silver seas gathered once more, their eyes wide with anticipation. In a quiet corner of the silver seas, there exists a place where the waves whisper secrets and lullabies. This place is known as the Whispering Waves, where the ocean speaks in gentle murmurs. The camera followed the gentle waves, their whispers echoing softly. Among the waves lived a young dolphin named Delphina. She loved to listen to the whispers of the ocean, finding comfort in their gentle words. One night, Delphina decided to follow the whispers to discover their source. The camera showed Delphina swimming gracefully through the waves. Delphina swam far and wide, meeting many sea creatures who shared their stories and wisdom. Along the way, she discovered that the whispers came from the ocean spirit, a wise and ancient being who watched over the silver seas. The camera revealed the ocean spirit, a glowing presence in the water. The ocean spirit told Delphina that the whispers were messages of love and guidance, meant to bring peace and comfort to all who listened. Delphina returned to her home, sharing the whispers with her friends, spreading the message of peace and love. Luminara listened, feeling the gentle waves lapping against her shell. Thank you, Luna. Your stories always bring us closer together. Good night, my dear friends. May your dreams be filled with the whispers of the waves and the gentle embrace of the silver seas. With Luna's lullaby echoing in their hearts, the sea creatures of the silver seas drifted into a peaceful slumber, their dreams filled with the magic and tranquility of the moonlit ocean.